Yo, yo, yo. What's going on, guys? Just picked up some pho. I just wanted to show you the construction of it. I was talking about it in one of my live streams. I've left a picture of my last order of pho on my community tab, and it was probably one of the best things I've ever had. And it was the first time I've ever actually second time, I'm sorry. Second time I've had pho, so this would be my third time. But I just wanted to break down how they give it to you. There's the broth, which is a regular beef broth. And then they give you a bag of your lime, bean sprouts, cilantro, that kind of stuff. I forgot to ask them for no onions, so I'm going to have to end up taking them out. But this is basically... This is what the pho is made of. This is like the main part of the pho. That's the noodles and the vegetables. This is the Thai chili sauce that you add in towards the end. But let me just pull these out. Oh, man, there's a lot. Totally forgot to ask for no onions. And I'm not a big scallion guy either. I just don't like onions unless they're cooked a certain way. And I did clean my hands and sanitize them, so I'm not being gross or anything. I'm just pulling out stuff that I don't want to eat. And I'll give you another shot of it. I'll show you again. Without all the onions covering it. I mean, I could get away with some scallions in there, but trying to get as many out as I can. Cilantro I like. Basil. Alright, you know they love their onions. The Asians and their scallions, green onions. But alright, so pretty much cleared them out. There's still little bits and pieces here and there, but I could deal with that. As long as the majority is out of it. But there it is again. That's the meat. So, I mean, it's up to you really. You could put the broth in there first, or you could put your cilantro and bean sprouts, which I'm going to do. Pull out my lime. And I'm going to dump my jalapeno. There's jalapeno in there as well. Normally 2-3 slices of jalapeno. So now I got my bean sprouts, my cilantro, my jalapeno, and then the noodles and the beef. And then here comes the broth. It's so good. Probably one of the best things I've ever eaten. It's actually really good for you too. Well, better than most foods that you get from restaurants and stuff. But I mean, shit, it's $9 for this. So there's the broth. I'm just gonna slowly pour that onto the rest of it. Alright, so there's that. And then I'm going to dump the chili sauce in there, Thai chili sauce. Got my chopsticks. Get all the shards of wood off it. I like to give the sauce a little stir first. And then just dump that chili sauce in there. Give it a little spice. And now I'm just going to stir it up a little bit with the chopsticks. Try to grab the noodles, flip the noodles to the top. It's a sweet Thai sweet chili sauce, so it's got a little sweetness to it. It's really good. There's the jalapeno, mix up the meat, the noodles. Oh yeah. I mean, you could pretty much put it together any way you want. This is just the way I did it last time, so I'm just going to do it again this time. Same way. I'm going to break these apart though. So now let's get mixed in. Everything's mixed in. For the most part. So I'll show you it one more time with everything mixed in. It's going to look more like the picture I posted on my community tab. But there it is. All mixed together. And this is just flank steak and rare beef, roast beef. So let's get a nice, there it is. So good. But I'm gonna go enjoy the